Banking industry, if you see in this market, mainly in the Cambodia market, it has been very encouraging over the past few years, and we see huge potential in the same for the coming 3 to 5 years or much more than that. Honestly, when we started from Thakral Group 20 years back, 22 years back, many people might not have even thought of coming to the market in Cambodia. And 22 years in this market, and when we see the financial sector growing leaps and bounds every year, the kind of facilities what the banks were providing couple of years back, and with every passing day they are trying to get in new technologies, investing in ICT, to have a robust infrastructure internally, to have better security systems, reaching out to the consumers with better facilities, coming out with internet banking. It does encourage us as a ICT service provider. What we do from Thakral side, definitely we are known in the market more from the Nika Limited. We have established our solutions arm, which is Thakral One, which is one of our regional arms, and we are very strong in providing banking solutions to few eminent clients across the region. Because of our strong foothold in all the emerging markets, we are partners with Temenos, HID, SAS, SAP, Business Intelligence and Analytics, and they are all other solutions depending on the customer needs, whether it's basic MFI, it's banking, it's looking to grow into the next generation bank. So depending on what solution customer is looking for, we have our very strong backing of a team which are regional experts in their own domain, which come talk to the customer, provide the consultancy, and then we offer the solution to the customer accordingly. Achievements in banking sector, means I can keep on speaking about that. We have been providing them basic infrastructure to develop even their data center services, to providing them a high-end solutioning, to secure their entire information, providing them a mail exchange solutions to unified communications. So we have our own teams who provide those solutions to banks across, and we are just hoping to leverage on that and bring the same expertise to the Cambodia market, which is seeing phenomenal growth, and there is a need, there is a hunger within this industry to excel, to outshine others, and to provide the best solution to the consumer. And that is the best time when you can be in the market, provide the right solutions to the customer who are looking for it.